Okay, everybody, I'm going to show everybody how to get rid of these irritating emails many of us are getting. Perhaps we're getting emails about hot babes or Camp Lejeune or dot dot or diet or anxiety. The list goes on and on and on. So let's go ahead and learn how to make rules. So in Outlook, you go to Home, scroll down over here, click the three dots, go to Rules. Now we are going to create a rule. So let's say I'm tired of getting things of subject contains. Oh, let's just pick one. Roundup. I'm tired of the Roundup lawsuit. So we're going to go to advanced options here. And if you see, we are looking for select the conditions that apply with Roundup in the subject, but I also want Roundup. And I also want maybe something else in there as well. Keep adding to the list. So you click OK, and then if you see, we are looking which condition do you want to check with the thing I had put in the body. So apply this rule after the message arrives with roundup or roundup in the subject. Click next and select action. I'm going to permanently delete it because I'm not looking for roundup or roundup on anything that I can think of. Maybe that'll change in the future. But permanently delete it, click next. You can make exceptions if you want, specific people, etc. Click next. Turn this rule on for message already in your inbox. Turn on this rule. Boom. Finish. It is done. And then you click OK and it's completely over. And that's all you have to do.